Hello, welcome to another video. How are you guys doing today? Okay. So as I was searching at SHEIN, I found that they have a variety of miniature things, from furniture to miniature foods to bathroom supplies. So I had to try, I'm a huge trinket fan. I love everything that's teeny tiny. So as you can see, I already picked through the package a little just to make sure that it's the right one. So yeah. Let's open it, shall we? Now let's open it for good. Oh. Okay. Let's pick one randomly. What is this? Oh my god, look. Look. It's a miniature Lollipop jar. It's so cute. Let me see it. Hold on. Is it too loud? Is it too loud? Sorry. But this is the little jar that I found. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is the little jar. It's a little Lollipop jar. Can I open it? Oh. Oh, I can't open it. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, look at those. Look at those. Can you see them? Oh my god, you have to. Look at those little... I dropped one. Anyway. Okay. Look at those little lollipops. They're tiny. Look how small they are. Hold on, I'm gonna show you. Okay, can you see them now? Anyway, I'm gonna show you at the end of the video for a close-up. But here's a little jar of lollipops. Let me put them back inside. And it's perfect. And it's tiny. I thought it would be smaller, but cute. Next. Oh, this one. Okay. This one is a carpet. A red one. I don't know why I got it. But look, it's paper thin. It's definitely some type of fabric. It's nice. It does look like a carpet. Look at the detail. I think it's good. Very good. And to be honest, I'm gonna put it in Freya's room at the big Sylvanian house. Perfect. Okay, these, I'm not sure what these are. Don't remember most of the things that I got. It's been so long. It's been so long. Okay, what are those? Okay, I know what this is. It's a little biscuit box. The ones that usually had sewing supplies inside. But I got the cookie version of it. I'm not sure I'm not sure what these are for though. I don't remember seeing those. I don't know. These are definitely our little cookies. Looking cute. But I'm pretty sure you have to put them in layers. I don't know what these are for. Hold on. I'm not sure what these are for. Really not sure. Oh, they do not fit. Oh, they do fit. Hold on. I'm getting the idea. Okay, I don't know what these are for, but I'm pretty sure I just have to add the cookies on top like that. Not a big fan of those. Again, I thought this one was going to be smaller, but it's a cute one. Not suitable for Sylvanians though. Now let's move on to the next little package. Okay. Ooh, these are the pillows. I remember those. Perfect size. Cute. You get 3 of those with the flower patterns. Can you see? Look, they will look so good with the carpet. So I'm loving those. They're also very fluffy, very soft. I love them. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Okay. So far, my favorite thing. Let's see what's next. Oh, I see a big one. Oh, yeah. I remember these. And I remember I got a set. So let me find the other one. Found it. So I bought a couch and a chair. My light just went off. So I bought this chair and I thought it would be similar with the one that we unboxed last time with the dad and the chair. But yeah, they did not look the same. Anyway, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We can still work with that. But look at that detail. That feels wooden. So nice. Look at the bottom of it. So realistic. I'm in love with this actually, and I kind of love the pattern. It's the perfect size for Sylvanians. Oh. Yeah, it is the perfect size for Sylvanians. I will definitely use them somewhere, if not in the big house. I'm planning on getting another dollhouse for Sylvanians, so definitely gonna put them in use. They look perfect. Perfect. Love the material. 10 out of 10. Once again. Next. It's getting lighter. Not so many things left. Oh, that's noisy. What is that? The bathroom supplies I was talking about. And these also look good. Okay. Perfect size. That's the size I'm talking about. I'm pretty sure you can see the scale on the miniature items. I did not check on that, but you should definitely do that if you want your trinkets to be super, super tiny. I'm pretty sure you can check on the scale. I did. Okay, let's open it. This one, oh my god, I love it. Okay, hold on. Can you see? Can you see it now? Okay, now it's a little basket. You cannot see it. Anyway, I'll show you at the end of the video. Don't worry. It's a little basket with a little towel and some bathroom supplies. Oh, look at those little towels. You also get a mirror, which is pretty good. Look, it is actually a mirror. I'm pretty sure this is a shampoo bottle. Wow, there's so many things. Look. Look, it's a tiny little thing. I'm thinking that's for water. You put water in these. Oh, a hair dryer. A teeny tiny one and some hair brushes. Hold on. Also perfect size. 10 out of 10. Of course, I'm gonna add the item codes down in the description for anybody who wants to buy anything shown on this video. Moving on. Ooh, I did find some curtains though. I did find some curtains and I bought them. I liked the color. I bought a set so we can test it. Maybe put them in another room. We'll see. We'll see. Oh. These are so much better than the ones that I made. These are perfect. So much better. The question is, do they fit? Because they seem to be pretty big for the Sylvanian house. Amazing if you have a dollhouse, but I'm not sure if they're gonna fit. They probably won't. They're too big. Too big. Let's see. Maybe we'll customize them into fitting onto those windows. I don't know. But they're gorgeous. They're perfect. Love the color. Love the design. Love the little lace detail. Cutesy. Oh, of course, I bought a set of those. I get 2 of these. One for me and one for you. Curtain bangs. Anyway, here's the set. Too big for the Sylvanian house. 5 out of 10 for the sizing. Oh no, no. They're too good. I don't want to rate them. They're not supposed to be for Sylvanian, so gorgeous. Maybe I'll give them a 10. Two last items remain. Okay. That's a little basket. That's a teeny tiny one. Let's see. Oh my god, the detail in those things. Look. It looks so good. Design, 10 out of 10. Material, 10 out of 10. And oh my god. Look how realistic it looks. I love the details. So detailed, so cute, so perfect sizing for Sylvanians. You can add a little flower or 2 or as many flowers as you like inside of this cutie basket. And we finally to the last thing I got. Yeah, this is the last one. And it's this. I know what this is. This was a perfume set. It seems to be glued. I didn't know it was going to be glued. I like to touch and move things around. This is a cute rose gold perfume set. Guys, it is glued. You're losing points if everything is glued. I prefer to move things around. Everything is glued. It looks like it's made of marbles and jewelry pieces. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying, but if you look closely, these are beads. It's made of beads. Very creative though. Maybe we can craft one of those things someday. But it's good. You get the vibe. It's beautiful. It's pretty. So, is it one of my favorite items? No. But I can definitely use it. And that's all the trinkets that I got. Got a mess. I made a mess onto the floor. Look at everything. Okay, I'm gonna give you a closer look so you can see the details of those things. Here's the couch and chair set. It's really good, really beautiful, really soft pillows. The 2 pieces curtain sets that were a little too big for the Sylvanian house, but we're gonna test it at the end of the video, see if they fit just a little bit. Moving on to the beautiful, very detailed carpet. Awesome. And these 3 very beautiful fluffy pillows that look so good on this carpet. Next, I'm getting onto the smaller items now. This little Lollipop jar that I thought was going to be smaller. These are the Lollipops you're getting. The cookie set. Maybe I will actually put sewing supplies inside. Not a big fan of that. I don't like how the cookies look. Moving on to the perfume bathroom set. That it's glued. There's a little glue hanging around there on the side. Again, beautiful, but not one of my favorite items. The basket, however, is so good, so well made. I love the detail. One of my favorite items. And last but not least, I get my favorite item, which was this bathroom set. You're getting some towels. How many towels? Oh, you're getting 1, 2, 3 towels? Okay. You're getting 3 towels. Oh my god, why did I unwrap these towels? I cannot get them back into their original shape. So you're getting a pretty detailed looking basket, some towels. Look at that mirror. It is actually a mirror. Hold on. Can you see me? Can you see me? Oh, you can see me. Oh my god, hello. Hello. Okay. So this is what was inside of that little basket. Love how tiny they are. Perfect scale. That's my favorite one. Okay, here's Freya's room. Now she's downstairs chilling with the other Sylvanians. But we're gonna make her room pretty. Here's another trinket from a previous video, again from SHEIN. This is what I got the carpet for. I think it looks good in her room. Hold on. Okay, it does fit perfectly into her room, and the whole aesthetic is just lovely. I also want to add those little pillows right there on the floor. It's giving cozy vibes. I really love it. I'll leave it like this for now. And I want to test if I can put those curtains in use somewhere, but I don't think. Yeah, I was right. I was right. It's too big. Maybe one. No, again, it's too big. It's too long. Not suitable for this house. It's okay though. We can use them on another project. I still love this. And that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. We lost a purple light right there in the back. The batteries died. Here's another Dreamland Sanrio Squishmallow collab. This one looks cute and amazing. I don't know if you noticed, but it looks so good with the other ones. So if you like this video, give it a like because it helps me a lot. Subscribe to this channel for more trinket, cutesy, whatever. I don't even know what the theme of this channel is anymore. If it's cute, we have it, okay? Subscribe. Also, you want to follow me on other social media platforms such as Instagram and TikTok. Links are down in the description. I post similar content, a lot of short videos, which are equally cute and awesome. Selling myself like, subscribe, follow me. You want to. Okay, I'm kidding. But it does help me a lot. Thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time. Bye.